Go ahead.
Alright, I am Jocelyn Potter and I'm going to show you how to use a burette. So my burette is plugged in right now, but as you can see, it is upside down. So first you want to do is I take it out and I'm going to put it right side up, and this is my little stopper right here. It's vertical right now, which means if I were to put liquid in it, it's going to drain right out. So first thing I want to do is I want to close this shut. And for someone like me who's shorter, it's not a good idea to hook it in and try to reach all the way up here and pour it. That's not really good. So what I'm going to do is, since I have it stopped, I'm going to take my funnel and I'm going to put it in like so. And I'm just going to pour in my solution here. And today that's just water for demonstration purposes. So I'm just going to pour in some random amount. So I've got my amount. We can keep the funnel in and I can hook it in like so. But it's also really common to get bubbles in here, and so I have a bubble down here at the bottom that I need to get rid of before I start. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this and I'm going to flick and tap the side till I get the bubble out. And the bubble is out, so I'm going to stop that right there. So since I have my bubble out, I'm going to take a piece of paper so that I can read the numbers. And I'm actually going to scoot this down a little bit so I can get an accurate reading on that number right here. So right here, my meniscus is right here at the bottom, which it looks to me like that is 34.212. 8. It looks like 34.8 is my starting value. Right. This will be my starting value. And this is 34.8 milliliters. So I'm going to take my flask and I'm going to have to move this back up again to make sure I fill about with my flask. Like so. I'm going to make sure my flask is right underneath it. And for demonstration purposes, there's a bunch of ways you can filter. So if I turn this vertical, water will start coming out like so. And I can stop it. Or there's a way to do, if I need a really small amount, I can just do a quick little turn. It'll just filter some out so I can get an accurate reading. So that's probably good right here. So now I'm going to take my piece of paper here, go behind this again and try to find my meniscus, which is right here. And you want to make sure you're looking at that at eye level, and this looks to be 40.6. So I'm going to take my final, subtract that. Oh, the wonderfulness of math. So I added 5.8 milliliters into my solution. So that is how you use